Meghan Markle and Prince Harry's departure from royal duties and subsequent move to California have captivated the public's attention for years, but recent developments have thrown their reputations into further turmoil. The unraveling of a potential multi-million-dollar Netflix deal, Meghan's alleged erratic behavior, and a violent incident at Gordon Ramsay's London hotel have created a storm of controversy that could have far-reaching implications. Netflix initially approached Meghan and Harry with the promise of a lucrative production deal, one that could have cemented their status as influential content creators in Hollywood. However, negotiations quickly disintegrated when Meghan allegedly demanded unprecedented creative control over the projects. Sources close to the negotiations revealed that Netflix, despite their initial interest, balked at Meghan's insistence on having final say on every aspect of the content, leading to the collapse of the deal. Reports suggest Meghan was furious over the rejection, sparking claims of erratic and vengeful behavior. In an alarming twist, a violent incident occurred shortly after the deal's fallout at Gordon Ramsay's exclusive London hotel. Masked intruders stormed the venue, causing significant damage and assaulting a manager. Meghan was reportedly seen at the hotel earlier that day, making unspecified demands that Ramsay had refused. Though the exact nature of these demands remains unclear, Ramsay's refusal appeared to set the stage for the disturbing events that followed. The incident has escalated into a full-blown legal battle, with Ramsay filing a multi-million-dollar lawsuit against Meghan. The lawsuit alleges that Meghan orchestrated the attack as a form of retaliation against Ramsay's refusal to comply with her demands, accusing her of abusing her power to intimidate and manipulate. The lawsuit seeks damages for the destruction of property, lost income, and the increased security costs Ramsay's establishment now faces. Publicly, Ramsay has described the incident as a targeted and premeditated act of revenge, casting a dark shadow over Meghan's already controversial public image. The public reaction has been swift and damning. The incident has intensified scrutiny of Meghan's actions and influence since leaving the royal family, raising questions about her behavior and motives. Critics argue that Meghan's response to the Netflix rejection and her alleged involvement in the attack reflect a disturbing pattern of behavior, one that involves abusing her status to settle personal scores. For many, this incident has further tarnished the public's perception of Meghan, painting her as a figure willing to cross boundaries to get what she wants. The broader implications of this incident cannot be overstated. Meghan and Harry, who have consistently positioned themselves as advocates for mental health, social justice, and ethical leadership, now find themselves embroiled in a narrative that suggests the opposite. Meghan's alleged actions have sparked fears that she is wielding her influence inappropriately, unable to handle rejection with grace, and lashing out when things don't go her way. The lawsuit and the ongoing police investigation are likely to have lasting consequences, not only for Meghan but also for Prince Harry, whose own reputation has been significantly tied to his wife's public persona. As the legal battle unfolds, the stakes are high. The outcome could further damage Meghan and Harry's efforts to rebrand themselves in the public eye and jeopardize their future business ventures. It also raises serious questions about accountability and the abuse of power. If the allegations against Meghan hold up in court, it will mark a dramatic fall from grace for a couple that once seemed poised to redefine their roles outside the constraints of the British monarchy. For Meghan and Harry, the road ahead is fraught with challenges. The couple's ongoing quest for independence and control over their narrative has now collided with allegations that could redefine their public image in ways they never anticipated. The fallout from these events could well determine the trajectory of their post-royal lives, casting a long shadow over their future endeavors and the legacy they are struggling to build.